Hey traders. Have you ever taken a trade and later realized you risked way too much? Or maybe, you're playing it too safe and not making enough profit? Trust me, I've been there. And that's exactly why I built Luta Calculator, the tool that helps you find the perfect lot size for every trade. In this video, I'll show you how it works, why risk management is everything in Forex trading, and how you can start trading smarter today. Let's go. Alright, let's talk about something serious for a second, risk management. Most traders don't blow their accounts because they picked the wrong trades. They blow their accounts because they risk too much. One bad trade, and boom, your capital is gone. So, what's the solution? Simple, only risk a small percentage of your account per trade. And that's exactly what Luta Calculator helps you do. No more guessing. No more emotional trading. Just smart, calculated risk. Alright, let's break this down step by step. It's super easy. Watch this. First, select the pair you're trading. We support all the major and minor Forex pairs, so just pick your pair. Next, choose the currency your trading account is in. If your account is in dollars, select USD. If it's in euros, pick euro. Simple. Now, enter your stop loss in pips. This is the distance between your entry price and your stop loss. If you're setting a 10 pip stop loss, just type in 10. This tells the calculator how much you're willing to risk per trade. Enter your total trading balance. This is important because it helps the calculator determine how much you should risk. Now, here's where things get interesting. This is where you decide how much of your account you want to risk per trade. Let's go through the different risk levels so you can make the best decision. Risk percentage is the most important part of your trade. Let's break it down so you can make the right choice. 0 to 2% risk equals safe risk. This is the recommended risk level for most traders, especially beginners and long-term investors. Why? Because even if you hit a losing streak, your account is still protected. Let's say you have $1,000 and you risk 2% per trade. That means your maximum loss per trade is only $20. If you take 10 losing trades in a row, you'd still have $800 left in your account. That gives you time to recover. %3 to 5% risk equals moderate risk. Now, if you're comfortable taking a bit more risk, you might go for 3% to 5%. This is okay if you have experience and a high win rate. For example, with a $1,000 account and a 5% risk, you'd be risking $50 per trade. It's still manageable, but if you lose 10 trades in a row, you'll drop to $500. That's a big hit. Use this level only if you have a solid strategy and know what you're doing. %6 to 20% risk equals high risk. Now we're getting into dangerous territory. 6% to 20% risk per trade is very aggressive. With a 10% risk, a $1,000 account would mean you're risking $100 per trade. Lose 10 trades, and your account is gone. This level is not recommended unless you're an expert, scalping small moves with tight stop losses, or have a very high win rate. Most professional traders never risk this much per trade. Be careful. 21% plus risk equals extreme risk. Okay, if you're risking 21% or more per trade, you're basically gambling. 1 or 2 bad trades, and your entire account is wiped out. Let's do the math. If you have $1,000 and risk 25% per trade, that means you're risking $250 per trade. 4 losing trades equals game over. This is not sustainable. If you want long-term success in Forex, never go beyond 5% per trade. Luta Calculator isn't just about numbers, it's built for comfort and ease of use. We've added light mode and dark mode, so you can switch between themes based on your preference. Light mode is perfect for bright environments and daytime trading. Dark mode reduces eye strain, especially if you trade late at night. Just go to the settings and select the mode that works best for you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. What's your biggest trading challenge? Drop a comment below, and let's talk about it. Trade smart, stay profitable, and see you in the next video.